Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce for you. My name is Neneng Komarsari. I'm 43 years old. I'm widow. I'm Muslim. I have two sons. Number one is 24 years old and number two 17 years old. My height is 146 cm. My weight is 55 kg. My last education is secondary school. I have experience in Singapore or 5 years, 5 months, and in Jakarta 2 years. In Jakarta from 2005 until 2007, and in Singapore 2017 and until 2022. And take care ordering also and take care children. I can cook Chinese food and simple food, fried bihun, fried chicken, steamed fish, steamed pork, and soup pork and vegetable and Indonesian food also. I want to go Hong Kong because I want need more money for my future and my family and my health.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.